tracking data, that's my knack. Google Analytics for the news act. Gathering insights like a detective. Unleashing power is so effective. Analytics for the benefits and told. My competition, they can't behold. Data-driven insights, a trade with true. Google Analytics 4 is the way to grow. It's like a microscope for you with light. A crystal ball that's always bright. With Analytics 4, you can see what's working and what's not. That's the key. Analytics for the benefits and told. My competition, they can't behold. Data-driven insights, a trade with true. Google Analytics 4 is the way to grow. Like a GPS, it guides your way, making sure you don't go astray. Good insights, they never lie. With Analytics 4, you never die. Analytics for the benefits and told. My competition, they can't behold. Data-driven insights, a trade with true. Google Analytics 4 is the way to grow. I break down the benefits, let's go step by step. Google Analytics 4 is a game-changing bet. With data insights, understand your customers' needs. Like Sherlock Holmes, find out what they truly see. The first benefit, it's about the events. Tracking the against each user's intents. With a single code snippet, capture it all. Like a spider, we catch every single crawl. The second benefit, machine learns the key. Predictive insights, that's the guarantee. From user behavior to future trend. Like a fortune teller, see around the bends. The third benefit is privacy at its best. With consent mode, put your users at rest. Anonymize data, protect their rights. Like a bodyguard, keep them out of sight. I'm a mastermind when it comes to rap. Spitting rhymes that will make your head snap. Today I'm talking about Google Analytics 4. The benefits that'll make your site soar. First up, you get a clear and concise view of all the data that's important to you. Real stats so you can react quick to any changes that might make your site sick. Second, machine learning is now in play. Predictive insights that'll lead the way. Customized tracking, that'll be a breeze. No one miss data, it's a thing of the past, believe. Third one of this tracking, that'll seal the deal. No more incomplete data, that's for real. Use it in measurement, that's the way to go. A complete picture of your users, you know.